Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's check out the crude oil futures market this morning in the London trading room. Came in as always, taking a look at our 30-minute chart. We can see that crude had been selling off in the night. We came in right in here. The 5 EMA had crossed the 13 EMA. The price was moving below the 50 EMA. The 50 EMA was already below the 200. And then crude kind of consolidated along the 50 right here. It's trying to find support, and really on this 30-minute chart was not giving us any kind of a signal for entry, but everything was looking bearish, and so we were wanting to trade crude to the short side. Our Unirenko chart, which is our primary trading chart, did give us a nice signal. Right in here was where crude was kind of chopping along that 50 EMA, those two 30-minute dojis. And then right here we had a slow line zero touch to the downside. The slow line is the slow line on MQ momentum. And you can see that it's this pink line right here. Came up to the zero line on MQ momentum. The zero line is the line that the histograms move above and below. So we had a nice slow line, zero touch for a reset so that we would have plenty of momentum to accelerate our trade in the direction we wanted to go. Price is below the cloud. It's below the smooth 50. It's below the 50 SMA. It's below the 34 EMA, and all of our EMAs are in alignment. We had a nice momentum reset, got our wick off the 34 with a slow line zero touch, and crude proceeded to move to the south. And we just stuck with this trade until we actually had hit significantly undervalued on the 30-minute chart, and at the same time you can see that MQVSI is oversold and painting dots, and as soon as we triggered back the other way we were able to exit our trade. We ended up taking 60 ticks on our runner. We hit 4 targets on the way down, 60 ticks on our runner, which was $600 per contract. And it was a pretty easy ride down. Didn't take any heat at all on that trade, really, to speak of. A couple small pullbacks right here. You can see these little wick bars right here. A couple small pullbacks, but we didn't even get a reversal bar. It just was a nice smooth ride down. We had 30-minute confirmation, had a nice Unirenko setup, and then we just let Trender Pro is the indicator that we use. It colors our bars, it helps us manage our trades. As long as Trender Pro is red, there's no reason to get out, and so we just stuck with this trade. It actually went a little more than 70 ticks. Nobody picks the bottom really, but we did hit significantly undervalued on our 30-minute value charts. We were oversold on the VSI, painting dots, telling us that the move to the downside was getting extended and starting to run out of steam. Started to pull back, and we locked in 60 ticks or $600 per contract trading crude.